Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmore Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the delete options appears to be missing from a certain context menu. So if you do right click and try and delete, you don't see an options. So kapag nag right click tayo and then makikita mo dito na missing yung delete. And if you show more options when you are selecting file to delete. And then kapag click mo dito yung show more options, and then still na missing dito yung delete options, kung paano ba natin ito i-fix. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to use run command. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD. Or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na itong administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na this part. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na this part. So one word yan and small letter lahat. And then press mo lang yung enter. So makikita mo na dito yung information details ng ating Windows system. And then next, so after yan sa this part, and then next command keyword na kailangan mong i-type, ay enter mo lang yung less, and then space des. So i-type mo lang yung less, space des, and then press mo lang yung enter. And makikita mo na dito yung ating storage des status. So des status, yung size, yung pre, mga kaibigan. Okay, so makikita mo dito yung ating des online, and then yung ating storage dito, and then yung pre natin. So ang next command keyword na kailangan mong i-type dito ay type mo lang dito yung command keyword na select space des, and then enter mo lang dito yung number. So type mo dito yung 0, and then press mo lang yung enter. Ayan. So des 0 is now the selected des. Okay, so after dito, and then next command keyword na kailangan mong i-enter, ay type mo lang dito yung attributes. Okay, so attributes, attributes, then space des, and then space clear, and then space read only. So read only, that is one word. So i-type mo lang yung attributes, space des, space clear, space read only, and then press mo lang yung enter. Okay, so this part failed to clear this attributes. Ayan, so after dito, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin, so all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, type mo ulit dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan mo lang i-enter yung command keyword na sfc space /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan. And then press mo lang i-enter. And beginning system scan, this a process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verification is 100% complete, and the next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix delete options missings, can't delete files in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.